Hi everybody, it's Isabel from STEM, and today we're gonna go play in a maze on code.art. So let's go. Go on your internet browser and write code.art. On the website, click on Learn. Then you need to select Grade K-5. Scroll down to International, click on View Courses 1 through 4, and select course number 1. Today we're going to do the 4th activity called Maze and Sequences. Click on number 1 to start. Here we go. Okay. We are playing with Angry Bird, and the purpose of our activity is to get the bird to the pig. To do that, we need to give instruction to the bird to tell him where to go. An instruction is what our bird needs to do to get to his final goal. Here, we can choose blocks with arrows. As you can see, there's an arrow to go up, one to go down, there's one to go to the right, and one to go to the left. So we're gonna have to look in our maze and see what we need to do. So I can see my bird needs to go to the left to get the pig. So I'm gonna drag a block in my workspace and attach it to the run block. Then I'm gonna hit run to see what happened. As you can see, my bird moved to the left, so in the right direction, but only from one space. So I'm gonna have to go and count and add an instruction to my bird. So I'm gonna have to go 1 and 2. My bird's gonna need to move twice to the left. So I'll drag another block with a left arrow on it and add it to my workspace. If I hit run, my bird moved 2 spaces to the left and we got it. Let's do another one together. Okay. First, I'm gonna look at my maze to see where my bird and my pigs are, to make sure in what direction my bird needs to go to get to the pig, because that is always his goal. I'm gonna need to look to see which instruction I need to give to my bird. So, first of all, I can see I need to go to the right. But how many times do my bird need to go to the right? I'm gonna count 1 and 2. So my bird needs to move twice to the right to get to the pig. So I'm gonna have to drag 2 blocks with a right arrow in my workspace and attach it to my run block to tell my bird to go twice to the right to get to the pig. When I attach together different blocks, this is called a sequence. So when I'm gonna hit the run button, my bird's gonna run the whole sequence. So let's hit run and see what happens. 2, we got it. So my bird run my sequence to get to its goal. So I'm gonna let you continue the next level by yourself. You can put pause on this video, and when you get to level 6, come back here and I'll explain to you what to do. Let's go. I know you can do it, and I'll see you at level 6. All right, you made it. As you can see, there's something different here in the maze. My bird and the pig are not on the same line. This means we're gonna have to switch direction. Don't worry, it's really easy. At first, we're gonna look where my bird needs to go. He needs to go to the left. As before, we're gonna drag the block on my workspace and attach it to the run block. When I hit run, I'll see my bird going 1 step to the left. Perfect. If I continue in that direction, my bird is gonna hit the wall. That's not what we want. We want him to go chase the pig. So he'll have to go down. And I'm going to count how many steps he needs to go down. So 1, 2. So I'm going to go and drag 2 blocks with the down arrow and attach it in my workspace to my other instruction to create my sequence. When I hit run, my bird is going to start from the stop, run the whole sequence, and get the pig. Alright, I'll let you go on with the other level. You can put pause on this video, and when you're up to level 11, come back and I'll give you one last tip. Good luck! Congratulations! You made it to level 11. This means you practiced a lot of switching direction. Good. I wanted you to stop here so we can do this level together to make sure that you understand everything about instruction and sequences. As we look at the maze, I can see that I need to start my bird to go to the left. As before, I'm gonna drag my block into my workspace and attach it to my run block. I need 1 and 2 blocks to go to the left. 1 and 2. I'm gonna hit run to see where my bird goes. 1, 2. Perfect. I can see now that I need to continue and go down 2 times. I'm gonna drag my blocks into my line of instruction to make my sequence. I'm gonna hit run to make sure everything is okay. Perfect. Now I see I need to move 2 times to the right and 1 time down to get that pig. So I'm gonna drag 2 right arrows and 1 down arrow into my sequence and hit run. As you can see, my bird's always gonna start at the top and run every instruction in the same order. That is my sequence. So this sequence with 7 different instructions was the right one. So this is what we learned today, that every block with an arrow is an instruction that I can give to my bird for him to move in the maze. And when I put more than one instruction together, it creates a sequence. And the sequence allows my character to move from his starting position to his goal. Now that you know a little bit more about that, I'll let you run the last levels to complete this activity. I hope you liked the maze and enjoyed learning about sequences. See you next time for more adventures. Goodbye!